Welcome back. It's now time for sports.
Waterhouse moved into fifth place in the Jamaica Premier League after blanking Chapelton Maroons 3-0 in the second game of a doubleheader at the Drewsden Stadium on Monday night. Mario Sims opened the scoring in the 16th minute for Waterhouse before Kenley Deacon extended their lead in the 85th. Amari Leacock then sealed the win from the penalty spot in time added for the Drewsden-based team. With the win, Waterhouse moved into fifth place in the standings on 9 points. Earlier, Portmore United missed the chance to join Montego Bay United atop the standings after a 0-0 draw with Malines United in the current raiser of the doubleheader at the venue. Portmore United are third on 11 points. The result also meant Malines United also missed the opportunity to move out of the relegation zone. Malines are on 4 points in 13th place. Mount Pleasant FA will be looking to secure a top spot in Group A of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup when they face second place Universidad ONM FC of the Dominican Republic at the National Stadium this evening, starting at 7. Mount Pleasant only need a point to secure top honors from the group. The Senan-based team are flying high after already securing a semi-final berth with a club record 3 wins and 3 clean sheets so far in the tournament. Universidad ONM FC are just 3 points behind in second place and are also looking to secure a last 4 spot in their debut season. Mount Pleasant are also coming off a 2-0 victory over Central FC of Trinidad and Tobago. Head coach Theodore Whitmore knows the job is not done yet. He also gave an update on striker Warner Brown.
It's a game that we wanted to win. We have played 3, we haven't conceded any goal as yet. So we want to keep that. So it doesn't really matter who go out there. We expect 110% about that. No, definitely it won't be about this tomorrow.
Head coach of the Sunshine Girls, Sasha Gay Henry Wright, says for the continued growth of the sport of netball in Jamaica, development at the grassroots level remains important. She says this includes mentorship.
I begin my speech to say that I started in primary school. This is where I started my journey as a netballer. It was easy for me because of the support system that I had as a netballer. Where did it start? It started with the coaches. The coaches, you play an extremely powerful role in the development of these student athletes.
Coach Henry Wright was the guest speaker at the recent launch of the second staging of the Portmore Primary School's netball competition. 13 teams will participate in the competition, which begins on Tuesday afternoon, including 5 newcomers. Marlimont Primary are the defending champions. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.